We started feeding the puppies over the weekend. They're actually starting to get pretty good at it. It's a mixture of rice cereal, Karo syrup, evaporated milk, and some ground up puppy food. See, somebody over here made a mess. Who is that? Pink. Pink looks like they made a mess with it. Looks like they spilled some. We got Pink there eating off the floor. Orange. Over here we got, this one here is purple. This one's aqua. White. And tan ribbon. Then over here at the other bowl we have blue ribbon, green ribbon, and peach ribbon.